This is your Governor Pambari Cuatro, inviting everyone to join our local and overseas job fair here at the Cebu Provincial Capitol on October 18 to 19 from 7 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Ang paghatag og trabaho ug oportunidad maugyod ang usa sa mga top priorities sa akong administrasyon. This job fair is a one-stop shop where you can apply for local and international employment and get assistance. We want every Cebuano to have the chance to work, earn, and build a better future. Diri mismo sa atong probinsya o sa guwa sa nasod. Kita-kits ta this October 18 and 19 from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. diri sa Cebu Provincial Capitol. Kaysa sugbo, trabaho ug progreso para sa tanan.